There has never been a time when biodiversity and ecosystem services have been more relevant to governments, businesses, and communities in shaping our future. Biodiversity underpins almost every aspect of human development. It is key to the Sustainable Development Goals, the Paris Agreement on climate change, and the Aichi biodiversity targets. From food, clean water, health, and jobs, to issues of peace and security, it has become imperative for decision makers to know more about how their choices affect and are affected by the environment. Yet natural resources are being depleted and degraded faster now than at any other point in human history. This is why the work of the Intergovernmental Science Policy Platform on Biodiversity and Ecosystem Services is so important. IPBES brings together expertise from across disciplines, borders, and communities, providing the knowledge we need to develop policies that benefit people and our planet. From cabinet rooms to boardrooms, from households to individuals, we can make better decisions about biodiversity and ecosystem services. As IPBES takes the next steps in its mission to strengthen knowledge foundations for better policy through science, there is a role for every person at every level. Through renewed political commitment, greater levels of resources, the nomination of experts, the contribution of expertise, and simple word-of-mouth advocacy, we can help deepen IPBES's impact. The future we want can only be built on solid, sustainable foundations. With your support, IPBES will continue to bridge the divide between science and policy for people and nature.